Hi guys, to receive this diecast model of a Tesla Cybertruck for reviewing purposes, and I think it's really nice because it has a pullback function. So when you pull it back, it goes forward like a car. You can open the doors, and it has many details. Okay, the front and rear hood can be opened. It has lights and sound, and well, if we press the front part of the card, it will emit some lights and everything. Okay, so I think it's really nice. This is the package that it comes. It has the base. Let's unlock it so we can take it out. Okay, this is the base, and this is the main unit. Okay, it has this strategic film through the front glass. Okay, let me take it out, and it's really nice. It has really nice quality. The design is really amazing because it looks exactly like the Cybertruck. You have the option to open these parts. Okay, as you can see, you can also open the doors. This is how it looks all opened up, which I think it's really nice. It has even the pedals and a really small central console. Okay, let's take this little piece of paper out for the battery. All the signs and everything, it's really nice, and you can just take it like this and use it. And I think that it's really nice because, well, as you can see, you can play with it, have it and expose just like a regular collectible. It could do an amazing gift as a kid to collect it and have it side other similar models of some Teslas. I actually have another one right here. Okay, as you can see, I can have them both displayed this or like this. Okay, overall I think it's really nice, and I will really recommend it. Really easy to use, of a really nice quality. All the details are amazing, and it's really nice, so I will really recommend it. See you guys.